Akiaria muthenya wa kiumia ari mwena wa kaunti ya Mombatha, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya mathako Kirimi Kaberia nieranĩire anyititemi othe a mathako matiganite guku bururi-ini nimegukorwo magĩikara thĩ nĩguo gũteithũrana ndũgamo iria ikoretwo iriho. Kambuni cia gũthithia kamari guku bururi-ini ni irahotirwo cira uria ciambĩkĩte igoti-inĩ nene ikienda thirikari irugamie ndosho ya gĩcunjĩ kĩa 35 harĩ igana iria yahĩtũkirio nĩ mbunge mwaka mũhĩtũku, ũndũ ũrĩa wacũngĩrĩirie kambuni ya Sportpesa kuruta mukana wa kwiyeheria meta sponsors a ligi itiganite na irabu ngũrani guku bururi-ini.
Tukiweza kukutana pamoja, kila mmoja aeleze hali yake na maoni yao, nafikiri itakuwa rahisi. Na ninaomba wote wanaohusika, tukifika huo wakati wa kuweza kuketi pamoja kujadiliana, watu waweze kuja pamoja ndio tuweze kutatua hii na tulitatue hili jambo haraka iwezekanavyo.
Umuthi kambuni ino kugerera murugamiriri wayo munene Ronald Karauri ni yanereire kwiyeheria meta anyitiriri a mathako matiganite kuona ndosho ino yagirire gukorwo ikirutithio wira kwambiriria mweri uyu turi wa Mugaa.
And for us to be able to continue operating as a business, and for us to be able to keep our employees in employment, then we have no choice but cancel all the sponsorships we have as Sportpesa.
Rianirira riri riu ni rithinikanĩtie matanya ma irabu ta Gor Mahia, AFC Leopards, Nakuru All Stars, ligi cia KPL na National Super 8 League.
I would say is almost a 100% loss to us, because that is really the main sponsor that we have as for Gor Mahia. They normally support us to the tune of 60 million shillings, and all that goes to the salary. The only other source that we have usually is for the gate collections, which has been totally disorganized.
Gukiri uguo, Karauri augite thirikari ndiaranĩirie na Sportpesa na uguo kumoria manyitirire mathako makirira cia Gor Mahia na AFC iria cina ngucanio mwambĩrĩrio-inĩ wa mweri turorete cia CAF o ũndũ ũmwe na ligi ya gĩbũrũri iria itanyitwo kwambĩrĩria mweri-inĩ wa kerĩ mwaka uyu.
Second request is for Gor Mahia, who are going for the CAF Champions League. I think this will be a big blow to them, and again I'm requesting the government to come in and offer that support. AFC Leopards are going for the CAF Confederations Cup as well. Again, I'm requesting the government to come in and offer them the support.
Nitwaranĩrie na aikarĩrĩte a irabu cia Gor Mahia na AFC Leopards.
Without mincing words, this is tantamount to killing football in the country, because one, it is the clubs that feed the national team. So there will be no football at the national team, and there will be no football at the club level. I don't see any club, particularly those other clubs that form the Kenyan Premier League, that have been struggling so hard. I don't see any of them really even making it, leave alone Gor Mahia making it to to start the league, which is due in February.
Kiuria kiria turayuria ni ati hihi gikaro na nyitemi a mathako ni gikuhanika na hihi ni kigi guciarwo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.